Today, I will show you how to access the Web Services API and EMS API and configure your system to connect to ReFocus. The first step to connecting to the Web Services API is to go up to the taskbar and down to Administration. From there, navigate to the Web Services API option. From here, select New. At this point, please refer to the documentation on how to integrate with AMS360 on the ReFocus AI knowledge base in order to configure all of these fields properly. Please, though, note your login ID and passwords, as these will be needed at the ReFocus AI portal to connect to your system. The next step is to connect to EMS. To do that, you will go to Application Catalog. You will find ReFocus AI in your application catalog. Here it's already been turned on. And you will follow the steps in order to provision an API key, which are further expanded upon in the knowledge base article.